When it comes to Christmas, the magic of the season is brought to life through festive decor. For many, this means much more than simply putting up a tree and hanging a few stockings. Elegant Christmas decoration is about creating an ambience that exudes luxury and warmth, transforming your home into a wonderland that captivates the senses. Whether you're hosting family gatherings, intimate dinners, or simply enjoying the holiday spirit with loved ones, sophisticated decor can elevate the experience, making every moment feel special and memorable. First, let's talk about the importance of choosing a theme. An elegant Christmas theme isn't just about following trends. It's about curating a look that reflects your personal style while celebrating the festive spirit. Classic themes like Winter Wonderland, Victorian Elegance, or Glamorous Gold are timeless and can be adapted to suit any home. The key is consistency. Once you choose a theme, every decorative element should harmonize with it, from the colors to the textures and materials used. The color palette is crucial in setting the tone for an elegant Christmas. Traditional colors like deep reds, emerald greens, and golds bring a rich, luxurious feel. But don't shy away from experimenting with non-traditional palettes like icy blues, silvers, and even blush pinks for a modern twist. Metallic accents are a must in luxury decor. Gold, silver, and copper tones not only add a touch of opulence but also reflect light beautifully, enhancing the overall glow of your decorations. Now let's focus on the Christmas tree, the centerpiece of holiday decor. For an elegant look, consider opting for a larger tree that makes a statement. Pre-lit trees with warm white lights provide a soft, sophisticated glow, making the room feel cozy and inviting. When it comes to ornaments, think quality over quantity. Handcrafted ornaments, glass baubles, and metallic accents in a cohesive color scheme will give your tree a polished, high-end appearance. Layer your tree with ribbon in luxurious materials like velvet or silk, weaving it through the branches to add depth and texture. Beyond the tree, your home's overall lighting plays a significant role in setting the holiday mood. Think beyond the traditional string lights and consider adding elements like chandeliers adorned with garlands, candlelit pathways, or twinkling fairy lights draped across mantels and windows. Dimmable lights allow you to control the ambience, creating a soft, intimate glow perfect for holiday gatherings. Speaking of mantels, these areas provide an excellent opportunity to showcase elegant decor. A garland draped across the mantel, adorned with ornaments, pine cones, and metallic accents, creates a festive focal point. Adding candles in varying heights along with a few carefully chosen decorative items, such as crystal vases or gilded figurines, can enhance the look. For an extra touch of luxury, consider hanging stockings in coordinating colors and materials, such as velvet or satin, embroidered with each family member's name. Dining tables are another space where elegance can shine during Christmas. A beautifully set table not only enhances the dining experience, but also serves as a stunning visual element in your home decor. Start with an elegant tablecloth in a neutral tone, perhaps with a subtle shimmer, to create a sophisticated base. Layer this with charger plates in metallic tones, fine china, and crystal glassware. Your centerpiece should be the star. Think lush floral arrangements with seasonal blooms like amaryllis, roses, or poinsettias, mixed with greenery and accented with candles. Don't forget the small details like polished silverware, cloth napkins tied with elegant napkin rings, and personalized place cards, all of which contribute to a sense of luxury. Wreaths are another classic element that can be elevated with a touch of elegance. Instead of the usual greenery with a red bow, consider a wreath made from unusual materials like magnolia leaves, which have a glossy, luxurious finish. Adorn it with gold or silver accents, such as metallic berries or glass ornaments, to create a sophisticated entrance to your home. Adding a matching garland to your doorway, complete with elegant ribbon and lighting, can create a cohesive look from the outside in. Don't overlook the smaller details throughout your home. Luxurious Christmas decor is all about layering and texture. Plush velvet cushions in deep, rich colors, faux fur throws draped over sofas, and metallic accent pillows can instantly elevate the look of your living spaces. Scented candles and fragrances like pine, cinnamon, or vanilla not only add to the ambience, but also help to create a multi-sensory experience that feels warm and inviting. Incorporating natural elements is also a great way to add elegance to your Christmas decor. Fresh greenery such as pine branches, holly, or eucalyptus not only looks beautiful but also adds a delightful scent to your home. Arrange these in crystal vases or gold bowls as centerpieces or use them to adorn mirrors, picture frames, and doorways. For a more opulent touch, spray some of the greenery with a light dusting of metallic paint or faux snow. One of the benefits of elegant Christmas decoration is the way it transforms your home into a sanctuary of peace and beauty during what can often be a hectic time. The attention to detail and thoughtfulness that goes into luxurious decor not only impresses your guests, but also creates a calming environment for you to enjoy. The soft glow of carefully placed lighting, the rich textures of fabrics, and the subtle yet stunning color palettes all work together to create a space that feels both festive and serene. Creating an elegant Christmas atmosphere doesn't stop with the decor. It extends to how you entertain and welcome guests into your home. The luxurious ambience you create with your decorations sets the stage for a memorable experience, but it's the thoughtful touches and personal attention that truly elevate the occasion. When hosting guests, consider how your decor can enhance their experience from the moment they arrive. Begin with your entryway. A beautifully adorned entrance not only makes a strong first impression, but also sets the tone for what's to come. If your front door features a wreath or garland, think about the sights and smells your guests will encounter as they step inside. Adding lanterns with candles or twinkling lights along the pathway can guide them with a warm, inviting glow, while a festive doormat or a basket filled with pine cones and ornaments by the door adds a welcoming touch. As your guests enter your home, the elegance of your Christmas decor should create a seamless flow throughout the different spaces. In the hallway, consider a console table decorated with a small arrangement of fresh greenery, a few tasteful ornaments, and perhaps a bowl of spiced nuts or holiday candies for guests to enjoy. A mirror with a garland draped across it can also add depth and reflect the warm light of candles or string lights, enhancing the overall ambience. When it comes to entertaining, your living room or lounge area is likely to be the main gathering space. Here, the luxurious touches you've added, such as plush cushions, soft throws, and ambient lighting, create a comfortable and cozy environment for conversation and relaxation. If you have a fireplace, use it as a focal point. Adorn the mantel with elegant garlands, candles, and stockings, and consider placing a few logs or a basket of firewood nearby to enhance the rustic, yet sophisticated feel. Offering your guests a signature holiday drink as they arrive is another way to add a touch of elegance. A classic mulled wine, spiced cider, or a champagne cocktail served in crystal glassware not only looks beautiful, but also adds to the sensory experience of your holiday celebration. You could also set up a stylish bar cart, decorated with greenery, twinkling lights, and metallic accents, to create a self-serve station where guests can help themselves to a variety of festive beverages. Moving on to dining, the table you've so carefully set will be the centerpiece of your holiday meal. As guests take their seats, the elegant table setting immediately sets the mood for the meal. Consider starting with an amuse-bouche or a small, beautifully presented appetizer, which not only delights the palate, but also complements the visual appeal of the table. The meal itself can be enhanced by the way it's presented. Use serving dishes that match your table's theme, and consider garnishing plates with fresh herbs or edible flowers to add a touch of sophistication. Lastly, elegant Christmas decor can be timeless. While trends come and go, investing in high-quality decorations means that your pieces can be used year after year, perhaps with slight variations or updates. This not only adds a sense of tradition to your holiday celebrations, but also ensures that your home always feels warm, welcoming, and beautifully decorated. In conclusion, decorating your home for Christmas with an elegant touch is about more than just aesthetics. It's about creating an atmosphere that brings joy, warmth, and luxury to your holiday season. By carefully selecting a theme, sticking to a cohesive color palette, and paying attention to the finer details, you can transform your home into a Christmas haven that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit. Whether it's the sparkle of metallic accents, the soft glow of candles, or the richness of luxurious fabrics, each element plays a part in crafting a Christmas celebration that feels truly magical.